Welcome back to the channel. It's that time of year again, when we team up with the Houston Astros and Chevrolet to give the official Astros trucks a brand new look for the season. This year's project is our biggest yet. We've got two all-electric Chevrolet Silverado EVs getting fully custom wraps, all designed, printed, and installed right here at AFS. In today's video, we're taking you inside our shop to show the process from the moment the blank Silverados arrive, through our advanced printing setup, and finally to the full wrap installation. The design is already set, so we're jumping right into bringing those bold Astros graphics to life. Once they're finished, you'll see these head turners inside Daikin Park all season long, so if you're at an Astros game, keep an eye out. Let's get started and show you how we transform these Silverados into rolling team spirit for the Houston Astros. that's a wrap, literally. We love working with the Houston Astros and Chevrolet to bring these custom trucks to life, and we hope you enjoyed seeing how it all comes together behind the scenes. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more car transformations, exclusive projects, and a closer look at what we do here at AFS. Drop a comment if you spotted these trucks at an Astros game or if you have ideas for future wraps. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.